Nera mala kenyam biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel to kon kaleren bu kon linga jan gwasame alera ban ling gwasame Juey shalke monkey pox jen bu kon lingo ka do brana chanon ka ja ka jan reiler kan me wa chinaitin content cha kep amin shalke monkey pox shikoro dian rep ki shikwa wonyam ajen gor no bakwen ki kelo kor gwaze dan ci korai tene ku jwada men o denaro gangten ko jen Juey mi jega long mi charan kep ala jan ne ka pedalong kami chaje kebo bane ko kien baga kep kel keje ramadan la doctor poinde be je kebo ano a jumi be a chan je milingo do badana to kaje en Juey me la netin kon tin kwaje monitor kinetin kon tin tiet kamanan lero da ka Juey chal ka mon ke poga chikan la do ngo chipengnen kon che keb tam chikane di jandangro ne di jandangro chika keb ko jen Juey me mishal mon ke pox virus ne to chaka tes chaka jik te ka jen Juey mona magu kon la ten gwasa me ala minister of health ne din kontin ku Juey me ku kan la gurno deje ngaje no keb nas gwasa den ka deje kap chongdi ka dobe chikan ku keje chikan ku no ne jen dangro cha keb jen Juey chal ka monkeypox kan ne ti panken watandin kalat le dolwal ka tandin gani de konen tie ka gwadamo cha chu jiga no ne te kene jen dangro ti chakap ala ne jen dangro ti chakap ntam murai kona awa kene tilaji South Sudan awa char kormo cha je ka chang jen dangro de kel alo ne jen dangro de kel tam cha ka kep ajen chalke monkeypox ala South Sudan chikarwa je me chikan lat ka Friday paiwa eno Juey me Juey michina to ka mekeb na re wech ka Congo wa ka Uganda chuket chukolo ka Uganda and monkeypox and tama chakaj and Juey mo chaben ka South Sudan rame kona kep me cha jik aram te ga rund jandang jogu de kel wun midin me te jandang jogu de kel moran Uganda amulet ka local company ka juban winimi ajane cha jien cho dorien cho ko Uganda lune jok ajan gwada danan ba Juey mo ba ngaiten o cha jakep alo Juey we nong ni waje nong ka Uganda ala the director general ne re kontin tipal point pinjen tila mala respond ko mete reg michiben Dr. Kediende Chong ajane ne wel bakre ne jandang rawir kel konen chalat ajane kene let ken kel ajane dang di to kene tie ka dien la tie ka dien madine dialogue jandang rawir kel kene kon chakep monkeypox ajane ala keze ne mo kon to ko monkeypox ala monkeypox virus gen kono kemnara mo kelna wudo montama jaka gudela hospital ka juba nyen gwada dana kwaje gwitin myo de gwanu ne di jandang rawir kelati ne wol bakel kalat ne dieje to kane de kontin jitie ga dien ajen do badana do bana ka kuje mo gorje de ramatre wi ka juba da ro tit ka jen Juey chal ke monkeypox baje kwen ya ka do badana chaje no gaje ko gor kono de kon Juey me deje prevenedi ke deje gangade ka do badana chalat ka je ke English bana je chulin ke na me ler dan to re wi ka juba. The Minister of Health has said it is monitoring about 21 people comprising workmates and neighbors who come into contact with a confirmed monkeypox case recorded in Juba on February 6. South Sudan confirmed its first case and declared an outbreak on Friday, month after the contagious disease was detected in the Democratic Republic of Congo and Uganda. The index case is a 31-year-old Ugandan national working for a local company in Juba. He is said to have been in his home country for a month before he returned and started exhibiting symptoms. The Director General for Preventive Health Service and Emergency Response, Dr. Kediende Chong, say 16 of the contacts were his workmates and 5 others were his neighbor. He said the first case is still being managed at Gudela Hospital and the contacts are being monitored closely by the expert. We have enlisted the contact and those contacts are being monitored. There are 21 contacts, 16 workmates, and 5 neighbors, he said. Dr. Chong said specialized doctors are monitoring and examining the contact to understand any other possible contact that might have not been in the list. We actually monitor them through our civilian team. They are actually being contacted every now and then to check whether they are developing any symptom. They will be monitored for at least 36 days, which is 1 month and a half. As we know, it is a long incubation period for the disease. If they show symptoms, they will be now treated as suspect and they will be tested. Until now, we still have this single case, which is the index case for South Sudan. A Ugandan national is working here with one of the companies. Dr. Chong stated that the civilian system remains active at Interpol, including Juba International Airport. He urged the public to not panic, but rather take necessary precautionary measures and report immediately to the nearest health facility. Anyone exhibiting symptoms of the disease, we are asking our public to also remain calm. As we said during the first day, there's no reason to panic. We only have one case until now. Our surveillance system is in place. He encouraged the public to cooperate with the minister and report anyone suffering from symptoms similar to monkeypox to the nearest health facility or call the free toll center 6666 for sick. Sick, 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 sick. Monkeypox is an infectious disease that can cause painful rash, enlarged limb nodes, fever, headaches, muscle ache, back pain, and low energy. It is said to spread from person to person mainly through close contact with someone who has monkeypox, including members of a household. Antam right corner, chane ito chubu jandang rayu kel chaga jek Juey chal ke monkeypox. Juey me nunga ka Congo chakulo ben ka duob Uganda. And Juey me pointe ne jandang rayu kel corner che keben tema. Wa shaka moy ka gwad me shaka latin me gwe katin. Gwada gwe katin wa shaka moy kanin ti jandang jogu bakal. Manyodo biga teka pai gwada dan en shaka yentin ki gwada dan en kwaga tritin. Amen me shaka gwe jeno chi Juey mo charo do kaka. Baga kula tom ki baga kula jago baga lunyirar bugo dorken. Anyok chana anyok jogo no chwara panic ki chwara dwal. Mite karamisha moy ka Juey mo lareje baramo mo baje kep bajo nang gwada danen real ka jijuan ta tokaten agenda na chalat anything content to pal point pin gen re wiki juba magoro na ramu mo mitire wiki juba gor gen o braro da tit ala gen je ka tiek du karara dien ke jek no ko jena la lede ka tar dien la moje ji ba point la ala point gob ku du point de chala do gen la beje en gob du anyok point de jaga ji go beje mo ka bakwech jog du baba batch anyok bro jog bolo jin luang aji lo tika luang na mo chaje la dinono na me amugoro da wakaya ka duob dan ende yen Juey me den jago ba jangai ko ene dial tiet ka rodien re wich ka South Sudan wone ka Uganda wone ka witin ko ken content ka East Africa ko Juey me je ka duob dan shalat ke je jen dana go de nyaga yekel ana bana tekamal ban la je ka la rodien bye bye.